Want to know how to change your theme in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you're there here, you should be seeing this interface right here. And once you're under this interface, here you should be seeing settings that's right beside or below your profile. So you can just simply select it. And now once you select the settings here, you should be seeing various options with your profiles. So just simply scroll down a little bit. On the profile, you should be seeing theme. So current theme is dark mode. And now you can change it from on, off to system as you like, and your settings should be automatically changed. If it doesn't change automatically, you can just simply restart your Messenger application and then you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.